Hello, today I'm going to create a pie chart in R. At first, create a sample data, then type pie, write numerical values from the data sheet. Here is in the animal sign, type animal sign, then type labels equals to habitat, then hit the control enter. Okay, you can find the pie chart. To change the color of the pie chart, type col equals to C. Which color do you prefer first? Let's say green, then blue, then orange. Hit the control enter. The color has been changed. To create 3D pie chart, go to tools, then install package. The name of the package is Plotrix, Plotrix. Hit the install, but in my laptop I have already installed. Load the package, library, Plotrix, then hit the control enter. To create a 3D pie chart, type pie 3D, then same as before, write animal underscore sign, then label equals to habitat, then hit the control enter. Then you will find the 3D pie chart. To separate the each part, type explode equals to 0.1, then you will find this. To reduce the text size of the labels, type label CX equals to 0.6, then control enter. Okay, the text size has been changed. To provide the title of the plot, type main equals to habitat type, then hit the control enter. Then you will see the title of the plot. Okay, this much for today. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe us. Thank you.